3 different ways you can make money on YouTube without making videos, without showing yourself. So you've heard that a lot of people make money every single day from this YouTube without making videos, and you're wondering,
how? Is it even possible?
Yes, it's possible, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how it is done. I'm also going to show you 10 best niches you should go for right now if you want to grow your channel and get monetized as soon as possible. So it's going to be detailed. You want to watch this video from beginning to the end so you don't miss any parts. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Chamaka, and on this channel we talk all things money, how to make money both online and offline. So if making money is your thing, go on and hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so you get notified each time we publish new videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. If you're starting out on YouTube, the first step is to create a channel. I'm not going to waste your time talking about how to create a channel because I've made this video here showing you exactly how to create a channel in 2 minutes using your smartphone. So once you create your channel, the next step is to go for niches that will pay you a lot of money. If you want to make a lot of money every single month from your YouTube, the niche you're playing in is so important. So I'm going to show you 10 niches that are blowing up right now. These guys make videos without making videos and they get millions of views on their videos, go home with thousands of dollars every single month. The first niche is top 10 niches. This is actually where you have a countdown. Tell us top 10 of something. Now, this could be top 10 on any topic. It could be places to travel, just anything. Now, have a look at this. This channel here does it the right way. And can you just have a look at hundreds of thousands of views these videos are generating? Yes, these guys do all of this video without showing their face. So I'm going to show you exactly how they make videos like this so you too can jump on it as soon as you're done watching this video. The second niche is weight loss. From the age of 30, everyone becomes conscious of their health. We want to look good, want to lose weight. So this niche is blowing up really fast. Interesting thing is that people making these videos don't even show their face. Sometimes they use AI. Sometimes they use stock images, random pictures and videos they got from the internet. And these videos are blowing up. Here is a sample of a channel that is making such video. And you can see millions of views these videos are generating every single month. These guys are going home with tens of thousands of dollars every single month from this channel. If you wait a minute, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using just your smartphone. The third niche is relationship. You and I know how important relationship is. Everyone is either you're in a relationship, you want to maintain it, you want to start one, so you're looking for ways to get the right kind of person for you, or you just want to learn about relationships. So it's a topic that everyone needs, and that's why these videos are getting millions of views. Just have a look at this. These guys are making a lot of money without showing their face. The fourth niche is tech and gadget. Guys, this one is blowing up because every single one of us uses smartphone. So videos like this cover basic things we need to know and do about our phone, what's popping, the latest gadgets and all of that. And this is actually something you can do with just collection of pictures and video clips. You are good to go. Once you make a video on something that is very interesting, you're ready to go viral and also make a lot of money from that. The next niche is personal finance. This niche does well every single time because money or nothing. So here is a channel that talks about personal finance, and without showing their faces, they are doing amazing well. Like I said, I'm going to show you exactly how to make videos like this in a split of seconds. The next niche is relaxation and meditation. This happens to be one of the easiest because it doesn't even require a lot of work to get it done. So have a look at this channel. This channel is doing amazing well. And what do they have here? A combination of stock images, soft music, and text. You can see massive views and subscribers this channel is getting, and they make money every single day from these videos. The seventh niche on my list is African tales. Guys, this niche is blowing up right now, and you can do everything here basically using AI. Just generate images, put them together, give it a voiceover, and a video is ready. Right now, storytelling is everything. People are looking for ways to relax, listen to stories that make them happy, and you can see a couple of channels that are blowing up on this. So yes, it's something you can do. Now, and the eighth niche here is celebrity gossip. Guys, this seems to be the new oil well. There are a couple of channels that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars just telling stories of celebrities. So if you look at these videos here, you see celebrity gossip that are getting hundreds of thousands of views and even millions of views. The thing is, we all love gossip. We want to know what's trending, want to know what's up. And anybody who can jump on this and create just nice videos like this, we make a lot of money. This one is just a collection of pictures and video clips of the celebrity you talk about, and then tell us the story of what happened. The stories here are things you get from the internet. Yes, once that news break out, you want to gather all information you can possibly do, put them together, and the video is ready. This does very well because there's traffic. A lot of people are already looking to learn, looking to know what happened. If you can fill in the gap, give us the gist as it the hot. We will love you and you make a lot of money from that. And the 10th niche is fashion trend. Guys, this is also doing well. I have a friend right now who lives in same city with me that makes at least $500 every month from these videos. What he does is to get a collection of images of dresses and then put them together with a voiceover. Video is ready. Now that I've shown you a couple of people making a lot of money doing this, the next question is, how can I do it? Let me show you 3 different ways you can make money on YouTube without making videos. Yes, without showing your face. So the first one is to reuse content. Yes, you heard me right. You can actually download video on YouTube, upload it on your own channel and go on to make money with it. It's something called CC, Creative Commons. So when a content creator makes video and it gives people the right to use or reuse their content, they mark that video CC. What it means is that I can go on right now and download the video, tweak it, and then upload it, or just download it and re-upload it on my channel. And when this video starts getting views, it starts making money for me.
Let me know if you'd like to know how to get this free video and I'll make a video on that.
However, there's limit to what you can do using this strategy. So let's look at the second way to make money on YouTube without making videos. And that is to get people to do this for you. Go on and upload it on your channel and make all the money. So there are a lot of people out there who are willing to take as low as $5 to make a video for you, edit the video, do the thumbnail, even do the optimization for you. These guys are called freelancers. So at the end of the day, you may spend about $50 to $70 on every video. If this video is a very good topic and is well timed, you can make as high as $10,000 from this video. A lot of YouTubers who have up to 10 channels on YouTube actually use this strategy. They just go on to pay freelancers to do different things for them, put them together, and the video is ready. One way you can do this is to get this done yourself. So you can actually use AI tools to get yourself video script. Then you go on to read it, do the voiceover with your voice. With the help of stock images and videos, you go on to create stunning videos. With right content and consistency, in a matter of 2 months, you grow your channel, get monetized, and then you start getting paid by YouTube. Of course, you can actually start making money even before your channel gets monetized. This channel you watch right here started making money for me from the first month I joined YouTube. So it's absolutely possible. And some of the ways to do that would be to sell your own product and services, or even sell affiliate products. Once you put this together, the next step is to edit the video to make it nice before you upload it. And here are a couple of video editors you can use, both for Mac, Windows, and even your smartphone. So you don't have excuse not to get started. Once the editing is done, the next step is to optimize the video and upload it. Optimization covers the title of the video, the thumbnail, description of the video, and write hashtags. Now, this is the shortcut of how we make videos and make money on YouTube. If you'd like to learn detailed how exactly this is done step by step, including the skills, strategies, tips, and hacks to grow your channel, then you need to sign up for my YouTube coaching program. I have group coaching program, otherwise known as 10-day YouTube challenge, where you learn alongside other students. At the end of this program, you join the alumni, where you meet hundreds of other YouTubers like you. You're going to get daily support in terms of watching your videos, getting subscribers, and all of that from this alumni. I also have a one-on-one coaching program. It's an executive class where I hold your hands and work with you to grow your own channel at your pace. Link to sign up for the 10-day challenge is contained in the description of this video. One thing I want to tell you right now is that you can do this. People you are smarter than are already doing it and making a lot of money. So quit giving excuses and get started. Use the link in the description of this video if you'd like to sign up for the 10-day challenge so you get trained on exactly how things are done. I hope you got value from this video. See you in my next video. Bye.